Here are the top 6 foods to detox your kidneys. I suspect many of you, like myself, are eager to learn how readily available or feasible it is to incorporate these foods into our daily diets. Let's embark on this exploration together. 1. Lemon water. A potent source of vitamin C, is recognized for its detoxification properties. The citric acid in lemons balances pH levels in the kidneys, reducing the risk of kidney stone formation. Lemon water acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urine production, facilitating the elimination of waste and toxins, and helping prevent urinary tract infections due to its antibacterial properties. The high water content in lemon water ensures proper hydration, while its antioxidants protect the kidneys from damage. 2. Leafy greens. Greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutritional powerhouses supporting kidney function. They provide vitamin C and A, which reduce kidney inflammation and promote healthy urine flow while preventing kidney stone formation. Rich in potassium, these greens help maintain electrolyte balance and regulate blood pressure. The high fiber content supports kidney health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing waste buildup. Antioxidants like beta-carotene and lutein protect the kidneys against oxidative stress and free radical damage, while chlorophyll serves as a natural detoxifier, removing toxins and heavy metals from the body. 3. Watermelon. Watermelon's abundance of water content aids in maintaining proper hydration, a critical factor for optimal kidney function. It acts as a diuretic, promoting urine production and facilitating the flushing out of toxins and waste materials from the kidneys. Watermelon's diuretic properties can help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine flow and reducing the concentration of minerals, contributing to stone formation. This delicious fruit is also packed with essential nutrients like vitamins A and C and antioxidants, which support overall kidney health. Watermelon contains citrulline, which converts to arginine in the body, promoting blood flow to the kidneys and supporting their optimal functioning. 4. Ginger. Ginger is highlighted for its active compounds, gingerol and zingerone, which exhibit potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, making it ideal for maintaining kidney function. It helps protect the kidneys from damage caused by free radicals and reduces kidney inflammation. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties aid in reducing inflammation in the kidneys, supporting their optimal performance. It has been shown to inhibit kidney stone formation and promote healthy urine flow. Ginger's diuretic nature stimulates urine production, aiding in flushing out toxins and waste products from the kidneys, enhancing their detoxification process. Additionally, ginger's warming properties increase blood circulation, promoting kidney health and waste elimination. 5. Apples. Apples are praised for their soluble fiber content, which acts as a sponge, soaking up toxins and waste products and facilitating their elimination through regular bowel movements. This cleansing effect lessens the burden on kidneys and prevents the risk of kidney stones. Apples provide an abundant supply of antioxidants, including vitamin C, which neutralizes free radicals that can damage kidney cells and cause inflammation. Their anti-inflammatory properties reduce oxidative stress within the kidneys, promoting overall renal health. The natural sweetness of apples offers a healthy alternative to sugary snacks, supporting weight management and preventing conditions like obesity and diabetes, which can contribute to kidney problems. The high water content in apples aids in hydration, enhancing kidney function and promoting the flushing out of toxins through increased urine production. 6. Cabbage. Cabbage's high vitamin C content boosts the immune system and supports kidney function. With just 22 calories per cup, cabbage is a low-calorie, high-nutrient food. Sulfur compounds in cabbage play a significant role in removing toxins from the kidneys. Cabbage also contains antioxidants like polyphenols and flavonoids, which combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the kidneys. Its natural diuretic properties increase urine production, flushing out harmful substances and waste products, reducing the risk of kidney stones. Cabbage is rich in dietary fiber, supporting digestion and lowering cholesterol levels, further preventing kidney-related complications. The anti-inflammatory properties of cabbage contribute to overall kidney health by reducing inflammation in the renal system. Thanks for joining in today. Exploring these top 6 foods to detox your kidneys. Remember, small changes in our diet can make a big difference in our overall health. Are you tired of feeling weighed down by the burdens of everyday life? The kidneys are your body's natural filters, and if they're not functioning at their best, you could be carrying around a heavy load of toxins and waste. But fear not, for we have a solution that can transform your life, a powerful supplement that will help cleanse and rejuvenate your kidneys like never before. Don't wait another moment. Take action now and make that change. Click the link below to order your supply and take the first step towards a revitalized, healthier you. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on natural health and wellness. See you in the next video here.